manscaping accidents have always been a huge problem. It took a little time, but man finally invented the single blade razor. With the advent of the electric beard trimmer, they nearly nailed it. Nearly. That was all before the Lawnmower 2.0 from Manscaped, specifically designed for your butt, balls, and body, even the gooch. Featuring skin-safe technology that prevents nicks and snags, a powerful 6,000 RPM motor, and it's 100% waterproof. The Lawnmower 2.0. For a limited time, get free shipping and a free shed travel bag.